Are you having trouble verifying your country for YouTube Premium? Here's how to fix it. First, open your YouTube application on your mobile device and ensure that you've logged into your specific account. Now tap on your profile icon from the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on Get YouTube Premium option. And if you see could not verify your country, it might be due to incorrect payment information. Remove your current payment method and re-enter. Carefully ensure all details are accurate. And if the problem persists, try using a VPN and connect to a server in a country where YouTube Premium is available. If that does not work, you can go to device settings. From the settings page, scroll all the way down and go to apps. Now simply search for YouTube application. Once you find it, tap on it and then scroll down, go to storage, tap on clear cache, come back, try for stopping this application and re-enable it again. If you're using iPhone, go to general and then go to iPhone storage and find YouTube and tap on upload and confirm. This clears the app's cache and data. This should definitely resolve the issue. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.